Harambee Stars ngin firato e oko jotugo abich e listi ma jotugo manowuok e pacho ka kochomo Cameroon motelo ne tuke mag laro thuolo ne AFCON higa mag 2025 tugo e kindgi kod Cameroon biro bago odiochieng' ma kiny e lap ma Omnisport. Jatugo madiere mar Tusker David Doyo Ostino Odhiambo mar Gor Mahia mane oyudo hinyruok e kinde orako Boniface Mushiri ma Ulinzi kod Sydney Lokale mar AFC noweyo oko. Kenya gie sani e namba 1 gi points 4 rakore kod Cameroon ma bende nigi points 4 e tugo migeno ni dhi mako mach.
To represent the country once again, and of course we each and every time the call-ups come, we want to be there to help the team, but unfortunately the last two fixtures I couldn't make it because of an injury, but gladly now the progress is quite good and I'm back in action, so it feels good to be back.
Forward to hopefully playing a big part in the team and helping the team to get results. I feel like in these games it comes down to whether we blend with each other, and it comes down to a team, as it's a team sport, and I feel like the group is very together and it's a good environment.